Okay, in this project, I am going to go from Wiesbaden to Berlin. Now, the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go all the way up to Hamburg, to Dresden, to Berlin, and then back to Wiesbaden. And I'm doing this lesson in order to show you how vectors work. And I may have to go through a couple of maps throughout when I'm traveling throughout Germany. That's fine. So first of all, at Wiesbaden, we have to make it up to Hamburg. Now, the way we have to do that is we gotta count the units. So first we gotta count the x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, and then we count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in order to get to Hamburg, we need to travel 3 units to the right and 10 units up. And that'll be our first destination that we reach. Next, we're going to be going to Dresden, from Hamburg to Dresden. So once again, we're going to count the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so from what we can tell from counting, we could travel 7 units right on the x-axis and 7 units down on the y-axis in order to reach Dresden. Now, of course, on the way to Dresden, I ran out of gas, stopped at a few local bakeries in order to get the local German cuisine, all in the fun day work. Now, finally, we're going to reach our final destination, Berlin. So, once again, we're going to count our x-axis, 1. Now we're going to count our y, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now from this, we moved 1 unit to the left, and then 4 units up. And if we wanted to go back to Wiesbaden, we have to add up all the units that we have from our vectors. So first, from Wiesbaden itself, we're going to do plus 3 for the x, plus 10, then we're going to add that to the units of Dresden, which is plus 7 minus 7, so 3 plus 7 is 10, and then 10 minus 7 is 3. So we got 10, 3 for the moment. Now we're going to move on to Berlin. So since we got 10, 3, we add to Berlin, which is negative 1 plus 4. So negative 1 plus 4 and 10. I may have done this incorrectly. Wait 1 second. Okay. So I was correct with my calculations. So 3 plus 7 for the x-axis, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 plus negative 7 is 3, so then we got 10 over 3. Then we add the final one, which is 10 plus negative 1 for the x-axis, and 3 plus 4 for the y-axis. From there, we get 9 for the x-axis, and 7 for the y-axis. Now, keep in mind, that's from Wiesbaden to Berlin. That's the distance we need to travel. So, if we wanted to travel from Berlin to Wiesbaden, we swip that number around. So instead we travel 9 units to the left and 7 units down, instead of 9 units to the right and 7 units up. And that's how I got around Germany with my 2 maps and enjoyed the time. Thank you.